Welcome to our video on IWC watches, where precision meets timeless elegance. Known for their exceptional craftsmanship and rich heritage, IWC timepieces are a symbol of innovation and sophistication. From the rugged pilot's watches to the classic Portugieser and the sporty collaborations with Mercedes-AMG, each watch tells a story of engineering excellence and refined design. Whether you're a seasoned collector or new to the world of luxury watches, join us as we explore the iconic models that make IWC a true horological legend. Let's dive in. Number 7. IWC Pilot's Watch Chronograph Top Gun Edition Woodland Ref IW 389106. The watch is a striking blend of rugged functionality and modern aesthetics, designed for adventurers and aviation enthusiasts. This timepiece features a 44-point tomb case crafted from ceratanium, a lightweight and ultra-durable material that combines the strength of titanium with the scratch resistance of ceramic. The mate green dial, inspired by military woodland camouflage, exudes a tactical vibe while maintaining exceptional legibility with luminescent hands and indices. Powered by the IWC-manufactured 69380 caliber, the watch offers a 46 power reserve, a flyback chronograph function, and a date display, ensuring precision and reliability in any situation. The green textile strap complements the dial, enhancing its rugged appeal. With its Top Gun engraving on the case back, this watch pays tribute to the elite U.S. Number 6. IWC Engineer Automatic Ref IW 323311. The IWC Engineer Automatic Ref IW 323311 is a perfect blend of robust engineering and understated elegance, designed for those who appreciate precision and durability. This 40mm stainless steel timepiece features a clean, minimalist dial with luminescent hands and indices, ensuring excellent readability in any condition. Powered by the IWC-manufactured 32110 caliber, the watch offers an impressive 72-hour power reserve and a frequency of 28,800 vibrations per hour, guaranteeing reliable performance. The soft iron inner case provides protection against magnetic fields, making it a practical choice for engineers and professionals. The sapphire crystal with anti-reflective coating enhances durability and clarity, while the black leather strap adds a touch of sophistication. With its sleek design and technical prowess, the IW 323311 pays homage to IWC's legacy of creating watches for pioneers and innovators. Number 5. IWC Big Pilot's Watch Edition AMG G63 Ref IW 503604. The watch is a bold fusion of luxury watchmaking and automotive excellence, created in collaboration with Mercedes-AMG. This 46-point tomb timepiece features a striking black ceramic case, offering a sleek, modern aesthetic while ensuring durability. The black dial, adorned with green accents and luminescent hands, mirrors the iconic design of the AMG G63, exuding a sporty yet sophisticated vibe. Powered by the IWC-manufactured 52110 caliber, the watch boasts a 7-day power reserve and a date display, combining precision with practicality. The green rubber strap adds a dynamic touch, enhancing its sporty appeal. Limited to 750 pieces, this exclusive edition celebrates the synergy between high-performance engineering and timeless design. Number 4. IWC Portugieser Chronograph Ref IW 371605. The watch is a timeless masterpiece that seamlessly blends classic elegance with modern functionality. This 41mm stainless steel timepiece features a stunning blue dial with contrasting silver sub-dials, creating a sophisticated and balanced aesthetic. The chronograph function, Powered by the IWC manufactured 69355 caliber, offers precise timekeeping with a 46 power reserve, while the sapphire crystal ensures durability and clarity. The blue alligator leather strap adds a touch of luxury, making it perfect for both formal and casual occasion. Known for its clean lines and iconic design, the Portugiser chronograph pays homage to IWC's rich heritage of precision watchmaking. Whether you're a seasoned collector or a first-time buyer. Number 3. IWC Pilot's Watch Chronograph Edition Mercedes-AMG Petronas Formula One Team Ref IW 389106. The watch is a dynamic tribute to speed, precision, and performance. This 44.2 timepiece features a sleek black ceramic case, offering a lightweight yet durable design. The black dial, accented with the team's signature green and red hues, exudes a sporty and modern aesthetic, while luminescent hands and indices ensure optimal readability. Powered by the IWC manufactured 69385 caliber, the watch boasts a 46 power reserve, flyback chronograph function, and date display, delivering exceptional performance on and off the track. The black rubber strap with green stitching adds a bold, racing-inspired touch. Limited 2,000 pieces, this exclusive edition celebrates IWC's partnership with the Mercedes-AMG Petronas Formula One team, embodying the spirit of innovation, teamwork, and excellence. Number 2. IWC Pilot's Watch Chronograph Edition Mercedes-AMG Petronas Formula One Team Ref IW 389106. The watch is a high-performance timepiece that captures the essence of speed and precision. Designed in collaboration with the iconic Formula One team, this 44.2 watch features a robust black ceramic case, combining durability with a sleek, modern look. The black dial, highlighted by the team's signature green and red accents, offers a sporty yet sophisticated aesthetic, while luminescent hands and indices ensure clarity in any condition. Powered by the IWC manufactured 69385 caliber, it includes a flyback chronograph, date display, and a 46 power reserve, delivering exceptional functionality. The black rubber strap with green stitching adds a dynamic, racing-inspired touch. Limited 2,000 pieces. Number 1. IWC Pilot's Watch Performance Chronograph 41 Mercedes-AMG Petronas Formula One Team Ref IW 3,188,189. The watch is a striking blend of motorsport spirit and Swiss precision. This 41 timepiece features a lightweight titanium case, offering durability and comfort, while the black dial with the team's signature green and red accents exudes a sporty, dynamic vibe. Luminescent hands and indices ensure excellent readability, even in low-light conditions. Powered by the IWC manufactured 69385 caliber, the watch includes a flyback chronograph, date display, and a 46 power reserve, delivering exceptional performance. The black rubber strap with green stitching adds a bold, racing-inspired touch, making it perfect for both the track and everyday wear. Limited 2,000 pieces, this exclusive edition celebrates IWC's partnership with the Mercedes-AMG Petronas Formula One team, embodying speed, innovation, and teamwork.